Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you what to do if your apps or task manager is not opening anymore in the latest Windows 10 KB5034763. So I'm gonna show you what to do on Windows 11 because it doesn't really matter. The solution is the same on both because pretty much Windows 10 transitioned to Windows 11 and the structure is the same. So the first thing you can do is actually uninstall the update. Press the Windows button, head over to your settings, then go to Windows Update, then go to Update History, and afterwards scroll down until you find an option that says Uninstall Update. Now in here just find the update KB5034763 and simply click on the Uninstall button next to it. Afterwards you can restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to perform a system restore. To do this, press the Windows button, type in rstrui, and select it as a run command. Now in here click on next, then choose the earliest point in time, most preferably before the problem occurred, then click on next, and lastly click on finish to start the restoration procedure. Afterwards just wait it out until it's finished, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And that's it. These are the two solutions that work in case apps and task manager don't work with the latest Windows 10 update. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.